Hey builders, it's Jamie with Builderall Adventures. I would like to show you guys a new design technique that I'm using for some videos for some sites I'm working on. So here's one of the sites. So here's Builderall Market. It's a site I'm working on where I sell templates and video ads. Um, but I was trying to figure out a good way to list lots of them and make them kind of interactive or have engagement, like a lot of the bigger sites that either produce or display videos, ads, templates, even other digital products and stuff like that. So what I've done here is I've made if I move my mouse over any of these, it'll actually start showing the video. Okay, so if you hover, it'll preview the video. And then the play button here on each one will actually play it in a bigger window here. A couple more down here. So I just felt like it gives it a little bit more interaction and pizzazz, I guess, without, taking up a lot more space and doing a lot of other stuff. I'm still working on figuring out what buttons I want to use and all that kind of stuff, but I wanted to show you this new design technique. So I'll give you an example on another site or page. So here, this one I'm doing worked on for a realtor. So they can show the video, or they can show a picture of the house right here, but then if you hold your mouse over it, it would show the walkthrough animation of the house. Let them see different rooms, make them want to see more, make them want to click on this and play it so they can actually watch the real one. And just as an example, so here it is much bigger. You can use different types of play buttons. You can use boxes and stuff behind it to give it all sorts of different look and feel. I like this effect I got here. I put the image and the email collection on top of this slider with the houses and their addresses on there to save room and kind of, I don't know, just thought it looked cool. If you click on the houses here, it still will open up and let them see the full picture. So the email collection doesn't necessarily have to hide it all. If they click there, they can still see it. Or they can go ahead and use this box, the email collection here, or watch the video. All right, so quickly here, let me give you an example of how I made this design. Okay, so it's just a couple things really. So I made a box. Here, let me move these away. All right, so I just made a box. Gave it a shadow, gave it a border, made a box. All right, and then we have a couple different things. You only need three things. You need this over here. You need another box. This is a box, not a picture. Okay, box, box. Okay, they're both boxes. This box uses a static image in its background. There. This one uses a static image as a background that I took, a screen capture or however you want to get it, but it has the static image. And then I have another box. If you look here, this is another box. This has a GIF as the background image. So it's animated. Okay, so it's still no images, three boxes so far. This one, the animated one, you need to make it, but then you're not actually going to put it on your site or display it. Okay, so this one, I've made it. It's got what I want on it. Now I'm going to go ahead and hide that. Okay, I really only need the one, like so. And then what you do is on the box that has the static image, you're going to use group hover. It's a feature in Builderall, group hover. And all you're going to do is you're going to tell it which box to display when you're hovered. So it'll give you a list of all the different boxes you have. For me specifically, I'm going to pick hover box 3. Okay? And once I say confirm, then it will actually, when you're live and you hover over this, it will show the box 2 with the animation in it. And then because of this is the pixel perfect and we have such beautiful layer support, I can just drag things on top of each other. And then I put this right here, so it looks like a YouTube video. And just to remind you, and there it is. When you move your mouse over it, you get the animation, which is from box 2, under this image. So it plays under it. And then if I click this button, I have it open the video and play the video. All right. Any questions, let me know. I think it's a really cool technique to add a little flair to your site and maybe get a little more engagement out of people as they notice things moving around. They might want to see more, or if they happen to see one of these animations, it might show them something that they're like, oh, I want to see that. So I'll click on that. Again, you can use all sorts of different designs. I've got a TV here. I've got rounded boxes here. I got the red box with the shadow here. So you can do it however you want. But I just think it's a lot better than the standard, here's an image that you click, or here's a video that you play. Kind of gives a little bit of each. These are using the hover effect, not the normal animations. I'll show you. So not this animation, but if you just go into hover, I have this hovering. I've turned off anything else. I don't want it to show any colors or sizes or texts or anything. I just want it to do that little zoom in effect. And you can do other different animations if you want. Each one's a little different and maybe gives you what you want. Oh, also, like you can see on this one, I've made this one a little transparent so you can see through it. This one I didn't. So you just right click, go to transparency. I did, just not enough. So I'm going to go to 50% on this one. Okay. And then you can see through it when the video is playing, but you can still tell there's a play button. Alright, that is it for today. Just a quick one on video design techniques. Let me know what you thought. Leave me a comment on the post in the Builderall Adventures group if you like it, or if you don't, or if you have any questions. Let me know. I can go into deeper tutorials for this if need be. Alright, have a great day, guys. Keep building.